Good evening, South Jersey. I'm Meteorologist Joe Martucci. This is our satellite during the afternoon here. Notice all this white that we're seeing in Pennsylvania, Maryland, Delaware, and yes, into our area. That is snowpack that is on the ground that we can see as long as we have a clear sky, and that's what we had for much of the afternoon. To the north, a brown ground. Yes, we do have some snow over here in upstate New York, but the northern half of the state, just brown grass here as we go through our day. We had the snow, of course, this past weekend. As we go forward over the next couple of days, we will be under high pressure and plenty of it. Wherever you're seeing these reds as areas of higher pressure, we'll put this loop in motion. This takes us through Thursday, and you see plenty of high pressure continues to be within the area, giving us pretty sunny skies for the next couple of days. Attention in turns towards the weekend. Now we have really good agreement that there will be a storm between the Saturday afternoon to Sunday time frame. Sounds familiar, doesn't it, right? That's what we had this past weekend, because we have a cold outbreak coming in from Canada, meeting up with that Gulf air, and that is just a great formula here for a big storm. Now, we don't know exactly what scenario is going to unfold, but it's going to be one of these three. Scenario one, lots of heavy rain, strong winds, and coastal flooding. We could be talking about inland roadway flooding as well. Scenario two is the low pressure ends up going a little offshore. Then we get a rain turning to a wintry mix or snow, again, with strong winds or coastal flooding. Then the third scenario, which isn't shown in any model runs, but it is one that needs to be considered as seriously as the others, is sleet to snow. That would bring us more of the impacts in terms of cars being stalled out, traveling, etc. But regardless, there will be strong winds and coastal flooding no matter what the scenario is. We are approaching, leaving the quarter moon by the time we get towards next weekend. We should be able to pick out a scenario on Thursday morning, and then on Friday, timing, totals, and details, whether it is rain, snow, sleet, or a combination of all three. So between now to Thursday morning, we really can only speculate what is going to happen because we need that energy to hit the United States, and then we can get a good idea of what's going to happen for us here on the East Coast. For this evening, temperatures drop through the 20s in a hurry. We have low temperatures on the mainland in the teens for the overnight hours. Wind chills will be around 10 miles an hour when you factor in the winds. North-northwest to west-northwest at 6 to 10 miles an hour. Mainly clear sky otherwise, with a couple of clouds surrounding midnight. Then as we go into Tuesday, seasonable sunshine, temperatures around 40, just on target for this time of the year. Mainland 7-day forecast shows as we go into Thursday night, we have a couple of light rain and snow showers, but that would be all, and not really anticipating much in the way of accumulations. Warmest day of the week will be on Friday, and then we have the weekend here as we go in. Temperatures crash on the other side of it. Should get down below freezing for high temperatures on Monday. That could even extend into the middle of next week. Looking at the shore, should be more rain than snow. Again, this is all going to be light and scattered precipitation, and then coastal flooding for the shore as we go into the weekend. We have articles for you recapping our past weekend storm. We also explain how everywhere in New Jersey now has seen snow. For that, you can find on social media, Facebook and Instagram at JoeMartWX, Twitter at ACPressMartucci, or thepressofac.com/weather.